And welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jasmine Nicole Cogdell, and today I will be doing a collaboration with Peppy Co. I am so excited to share these products with you all. The entire line was sent to me by Peppy Co. I am truly grateful to them for sending these to me. I've been using them for 2 weeks now. Right now there is nothing on my face. The only thing I've done is wipe my face off with my bamboo clean towel. I'm gonna share with you tonight how to do a relaxing nighttime routine. So here is my skin before. And by the way, I have this scrunchie on because my friend Bridget Nicole here on YouTube said if you put a scrunchie on your wrist, water will not drip down. So I don't want it to drip all over me. This cleanser can be used day and night, and it is a gentle cleanser. The #1 ingredient is aloe, and you can tell that because my skin is always super moisturized after using it. I don't feel the need to immediately put on a moisturizer. It is very gentle. I can rub it in my eyes. And honestly, this is my favorite cleanser so far out of all of my collection of products. This has been the best cleanser that I've ever used. It is the most universal. My skin does not negatively react to it in any way possible. I love the consistency of it. I love that I can use it in my eyes to get my eyes super clean. Now let's go ahead and get started. Cleansing egg has 3 different intensities: low, medium, as well as high. The low intensity is actually pretty strong. I was very surprised by that. That's what I've been using mostly, but recently I decided to take it to another level just to see how the intensity changes. All of the levels feel amazing. I love both sides. My favorite side is this side over here. And I typically do that in the end to finish out my skincare routine. Using the cleansing egg is like a trip to the spa for me. It is so relaxing, as you can see by my face. I'm truly enjoying this experience. This is my skin immediately after cleansing, and I don't know if you can tell, but the light is bouncing off of my skin. I don't have any oil on, anything. It's like the cleansing egg as well as the gentle cleanser naturally buffs my skin to like give it a shiny finish, and I love that. So then once I put on my moisturizer, it gives me a nice natural glow without causing any acne. The thing about my skin is oils tend to break my skin out, so this gives me the shine and the softness that I'm looking for with using a moisturizing oil on my face, but without adding the acne and the negative effects that it has on my skin. So I love this. Hopefully you can see the light bouncing off right here. Now I'm gonna go in with the LED light mask. I'm gonna do the blue light for 10 minutes. The blue light is good for acne, and I have had a couple of acne spots due to trying out other products that didn't work too well on my face. And honestly, it's been taking me months to get rid of a single pimple. So the fact that the acne is reducing quickly, I can tell a difference in my skin every time I wash my face, then I know that the blue light is working. The red light is for collagen production as well as elastin production. Yellow light is to detox your skin as well as prevent pigmentation. So I'm gonna go in with that 10 minutes on each color, and I will be back. So when using this mask, I wanted to test out all 3 colors, and initially I did each color for 10 minutes for 30 minutes total. Because the lights do different things, I wanted to see if there was a difference between using one light versus the other. And so one night I did solely use the blue light, and I did see more of a reduction in my pimples that day. And I noticed that when I use all 3, my skin is even softer than it would be on the nights that I wasn't using the mask. So it does make a difference. They recommend using this 3 times per week. So I just spent 30 minutes with the LED light mask on, and I am so relaxed. Honestly, if it wasn't for filming this video, I could fall asleep immediately after. This is exactly why I choose to do this at nighttime. It really sets the tone. Today has been a long day, and it just brings me back to wholeness. It restores me. It gives me a moment to quiet my mind. It gives me a moment, like, I'm somebody that's like constantly like thinking. I'm always just on the go, and it brings me back to center, if that makes sense. It gives me a moment to calm down, relax, and wind myself down for bed. You might notice that I do have marks right here, and that's just simply from the glasses protecting my eyes from the light. It is not tight or uncomfortable at all. It's just what typically happens when somebody wears glasses for a long period of time. But this is my skin. Nothing is on my skin. This is just immediately after using the LED mask for 30 minutes. I did each color. My skin is super duper soft. There's not a dry spot in sight. Do I still have that little shine? The final step for tonight is going in with the sleep mask. Also, aloe is the #1 ingredient for this. And you really don't need a lot. This feels so soothing. I'm actually gonna come back and talk about the product tomorrow once the redness here has gone, because I don't want you to focus on that part. I want you to focus on the effectiveness of the products. So I'm gonna go to bed now. I'm gonna put on my lip sleeping mask that I get from Sephora. Oh, my lips feel super soft. So I started by going in with the Milani Rose Sugar Scrub that I got from Ulta, and then this lip sleeping mask exfoliates as well, but it does it in a gentler way, so I love this combo. Oh, my face gonna go to bed now and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. So guys, it is the next day and this is my skin after washing off the all-in-one sleeping mask and following up with my normal moisturizer. For the 2 weeks that I have been using this product, I wanted to continue to use the same skincare regimen that I've been using to have as a good base to know if the product I'm using is going to react well with my skin or not. I know my skincare routine is a constant and I know that by adding a different variable into the equation, whether the results are positive or negative, I know as a result of using these products. So this is my skin. Hopefully you can see a nice little glow going on. My skin definitely feels very moisturized, very soft. I absolutely positively love it. I wanted to show you the mask. So this is the LED mask right here. So this is the inside of the LED mask. It has some really cool glasses right here to protect your eyes. You don't ever want to stare into the light directly. It's not good for their eyes. The glasses protect you and you just keep your eyes closed the entire time. I really find this such a therapeutic experience because you have to be still. You know, you can't see anything. So it really causes you to just relax, be still, calm your mind, regroup, refocus. The thing I was most surprised about is that it doesn't make any noise whatsoever. I guess I was expecting like a slight humming noise because even with lights, if you listen close enough, you can still hear like a slight humming or buzzing, but it makes no noise whatsoever. And what you do is you plug it up to a USB cord. It comes with a very long USB cord. This is extremely long. I wish my phone cords were this long. So you just plug it in right here. So this is the red setting, which I said is good for collagen production as well as elastin production. Then to change the color, you just simply tap this little hand right here. And it's very easy to do with your eyes closed. So you just kind of tap and you can sense that the light has changed. The blue light is the one that I've been using to reduce the bumps on my face. And then tap again and we have yellow. If you guys have any further questions about the Peppy Co products, please let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer them for you. Thank you so much to Peppy Co for sending me these products. I'm truly grateful that they sent these to me. I love them and they have a new customer for life in me. Thank you guys so much for watching and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.